Welcome back to Average Journeys, folks, and I'm at Newark Castle and it's just down by the water. Look at the view, folks. Okay, and this is the castle here. It's shut at the moment for obviously it's under construction, but I'm going to take you right round, have a wee walk round it. I'm here today with my wee dog Susie again, just have a wee walk round. That lovely big castle there, that castle. So Newark Castle is located in Port Glasgow. It's a well-preserved late medieval Scottish tower house residence. It was built by George Maxwell in the 15th century and expanded by his descendant Patrick Maxwell in the 16th century. The land on which the castle sits was acquired by a junior branch of the Maxwells in 1402. So Sir George Maxwell built the first castle on inheriting the Barn of Finnieston in 1478 and was styled of Newark and Finnieston. The first castle consisted of a tower house and a gatehouse. So Sir Patrick Maxwell, who inherited the castle in the late 16th century, expanded the building, constructing a new north range in a residence style. The castle was a royalist stronghold during the English Civil War and endured 3 sieges. Susie's enjoying it right over there while we walk. So the original tower house and gatehouse remain as fine examples of late medieval Scottish tower house residence. The 16th century gatehouse block and a large late 16th century range from 3 sides of a courtyard. So it rises to 4 stories, folks. The top story built from the original parapet. So this castle is located on the south shore of the Firth of Clyde, as you can probably see. And you can enjoy the views all across the river. It lies less than a half a mile from the centre of Port Glasgow. So until the 1980s, shipyards blocked the castle from inland view. Susie, come here. I'm going to get her. So there's also a Newark Castle which is down in Nottinghamshire in England. There's also one there. That's also a glamorous palace of the Bishop Alexander the Magnificent of Lincoln. Come here, hen. Don't let her go astray down here. So as you can see, this is the shipyards here, and this is what they were saying when it blocked it. So obviously we can't gain access, as you can see. So Newark Castle is famous for, and it's known for the death place of King John in 1216. Wow. So look at this, folks. This is the Porter's Lodge. There's a steel door here. That was it, every time you go to a door you always like to see if it's open. You know it's locked, but you always seem to go to it. Look at that, folks. It's amazing, isn't it? It's still, look at the windows. So do you know the nickname of the Newark? It's actually saying it's Gateway City. It's known as the Brick City. Well, you can tell now why it's called Brick City. There's the doors here. Look at them. The door handles, folks. It's well preserved, as you can see, folks. So the Maxwell family were very powerful people. So then also says here the name Newark, it derives from Scots term Newark, meaning new building work. So it's actually been associated with various historical events and figures. So James VI visited this place in 1495 before embarking on campaigns against the Lordship of the Isles. So James V came here. Sir Patrick Maxwell also, he had a violent reputation, which included murdering members of his rival families and mistreating his wife. Well, that's not very nice, is it? So, and her name was Lady Margaret Crawford. So after years of abuse, she eventually fled to Dumbarton after 44 years of marriage. So today it's managed by the Historical Environment Scotland, and it serves as a tourist attraction, but obviously it's shut at the moment. But there you are, folks, that's the history on it. Not nice to hear that obviously he was abusive all these years, and he was a murderer. I mean, it's a beautiful castle, but this is the things you find out about the history of the places there. But it'd be amazing to just live in there, wouldn't it? And across by the water. And that's your view, folks. So basically, see the Newark Castle, it stands as a testament to Scottish rich history and obviously its heritage. it's open, folks, but it's just right now. It's saying here it's open, but not today. This is a Saturday, obviously. The day tours around the place. And there's another bit here I showed you earlier. Oh, look at this, folks. And I go again. Right up to the... As you know, it's locked. Let's see if I can see right inside it. That doesn't look... It looks as if they kept people in here as well, doesn't it? I locked it up because it's actually got a door on this side as well. See, on the inside. And there's a bit up here as well, folks. It's a wee tower as well, but God knows what they've done back in them days in that one. Look at the views, folks. It's been an amazing place to stay, eh? And a beautiful sunny day. The shipyard's along there. Ferguson Marine. That's one thing you always see down here. Plenty of them. Right, folks, this is Newark Castle. Okay, well, I can't take you in, but I can show you around, tell you a wee bit of history about the place. Isn't that amazing? Sit here all day, can't you? Okay, thanks for watching, folks, from me and Susie. See you later.